all kinds of stuff in ignorance. You're going to need them. They're going to come out of the area called the Canaries, right? Someplace there. Most of them are in the Gulf of Mexico or wherever. And they're going to move in the same direction that slavery went. They're going to transfer heat to cool areas, while the cool area now transfer heat, cold air to the warm areas, which is exactly why global warming is so important. Because global warming implies, when you look at your barometer, it's going to say greater pressure, lower pressure system. It's going to show you numbers, weird numbers like 900 and odd, which is going to mean that anything that comes is not going to go quickly past. Remember how quickly Gilbert passed? It just went past 15, 20 miles per hour, right? And mash us up and gone about in business. Not this one. This one is going to take its time, soak up all the pressure it can, sop up all the hot air, right? Which means this is why it's going so slowly. The second thing that people need to understand is that hurricanes move in a pattern to avoid mountains. Because it's air. So those of you who did the geology and geography, and you remember your little experiment where they're showing air and how hot air rises and cold air and all of these things, please apply that now, because what happens is that you need to look at the topography of Jamaica. Jamaica is designed from east to west, or west to east, whichever you prefer, and it has a spine from the Blue Mountain all the way down to Dolphin Head in Hanover. There's a spine almost unbroken, right? I think it's broken at Santa Cruz, which is why Santa Cruz is so hot. Have you been to Santa Cruz? It's really, really disgustingly hot. Not showing my Santa Cruz people. All right, which by the way means Holy Cross. So folk, if a hurricane is trying to escape across the Caribbean Sea, through the Bahamas, or towards Bermuda, towards the cold, it's going to take the shortest path. It could go straight east to west and head towards Cayman, right? We know one of them had damaged Cayman badly recently. But based on what is happening, this one was expected to turn because they were able to track where the temperatures are and so forth. That is why these meteorologists and scientists were able to say it's going to go north when it gets here. Right. And they were also able to look at this map to say this is where it's going to turn. There are people who are saying that Jesus is going to make it go straight. You know, yes, I know, but follow the fact that Jesus already give some people the information to give you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. God work through man.
You know that's what people do.
Yeah,
they think that God give you the information to pass to them and then God change your mind. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't work like that. This is what people expect in miracles that have nothing to do. That hinges on nothing that God is doing. Just a miracle out of
nothing.
Like ta-da! Right. So as it turns, once it turns and heads to land, you expect to see the fall in the barometer. You expect to see that fall. And once that fall comes, it will pick up speed. So we expect it to come across us a little quicker than the 2 and 3 miles per hour.
It's moving at 7 now.
Right. But it's not going to give you 15 and 20 because it's already heavy. Yeah? So it is going to stay with us. It's going to mash us badly as it crosses. And I'm asking people to just really and truly pay attention to your family. Take this very, very seriously. So let's look at some of the areas that they've put in the flash flood for, right?